guys, and welcome back to the channel once again. So what have I got for you today? I've got an injector install for this 58 plate Ford Fiesta diesel 1.4 engine. What is happening is it's sort of missing and it's running very lumpy. I just drove it and it's in limp mode, can only rev up to 2000 rpm, and it's kaput. So I'll put a little clip in now of how it sounds. As you can tell, it's rocking and it's not sounding too great, and it's of course in limp mode. Engine system fault there, so I'm going to turn it off. Don't want to wreck it or do any more damage that we don't need to do. So the fuel injector is lined up out the back there. I got to take off a few different systems to get to it. So I'm just going to play some tunes and crack on, boys. So I'll set you up on a tripod and see where we get. Right guys, so this is where we are. I've taken off quite a few parts. I'll show you the parts we've got off. So we've taken off the valve cover there, that's on that piece of plywood there, just so we don't get the floral oily. His oil is literally black, so he needs a little service. I'm going to recommend. This is the new fuel injector for number 4. A few various sort of parts that go on top of the engine. I should probably put that on there as well. Yeah, intakes and hoses and stuff like that. It's pretty straightforward. There's the diesel filter there. I've just blocked it all up with blue roll. So yeah, this is what we've got in here. It looks obviously disgusting. We've got a dirty diesel we're working with. I'm going to try and clean up everything as I go. But what we've got is this number 4 here. So the way you work it is cylinder number 1 is closest to the pulleys on a front wheel drive engine. So we go 1, 2, 3 and 4. So number 4 is apparently bad. He took it to a garage and they told him on the computer that it's number 4, which is misfiring or is a dodgy fuel injector. So I'm literally just replacing. I haven't done any troubleshooting whatsoever. I'm just doing the work that the garage, he didn't decide to use the garage for. So yeah, that's how you see which cylinder is which. So number 4 is closest to the gearbox, which is on the right hand side of the engine as you look in. So I'm gonna just take out this bolt here, wiggle the sort of injector bracket out, and see what we've got. Really, I'm not seeing anything really showing sort of a leak or anything like that. Maybe we just have a bad injector, but it's definitely quite cruddy and quite dirty down here. So I'm going to try and wipe it over for him and try and clean it up for him. But yeah, this is where we are, guys. I'm gonna pull that injector out and see what we've got. So this is what we've taken out just to get the injector, the fourth injector out. That's out there. I've taken out this bracket and this little circlip here, so, and that bracket there, and then I've got this 13mm bolt that goes through there like that. So those are the things we've taken out. You also have to get a 13 and a 14mm spanner just to undo these fuel lines, and then you just need to take that circlip out of this sort of, it's like a sort of overflow or something like that of fuel. So that's what we've got. And then we're looking at our new injector here with all the little caps that come with it. So I'm looking at this one, and I'm looking at this one. This doesn't look too bad, if I'm going to be honest. I'm going to be completely honest with you. It's still quite warm, but I don't know. I'm just going to replace it because the garage said it's gone. So all I can do is the job I've been asked to do. Do you know what I mean? But I wonder if there's a problem somewhere else, or a different injector maybe. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna go ahead and replace this. I'm gonna take pictures of these codes as I'm not sure what, I think they're the same code actually. 595, yeah, they're the exact same code. Because I've been told some injectors need coded in. I know if I replace the beam as injectors, they need to be coded in, but this is a 08 Ford, so we'll see. But I'm gonna do the exact opposite of what I've just done in reverse order, not opposite, reverse order of what I've just done, and we'll see where we are, guys. Hopefully this fixes the issue. I'm here to help. I'm gonna clean up everything, get some brake parts cleaner on it all, and see what the result is, guys. So yeah, hope you've all enjoyed it up to this point, and we're gonna get this fitted. Girls, we're in the Fiesta now. We're just letting it warm up, and we're going to take it around to the garage to get that injector coded in. Fingers crossed it works and this car can go back to its owner and we all have a good day. So fingers crossed. Catch you in the next clip and we'll see what happens. Car runs a treat. So what happened was, I changed over what I thought was number 4 injector, but we just had to switch them around as on these Peugeot engines. Apparently it's all backwards, so closest to the pulley's number 4, and then it works its way back. So we just got to clear the engine code and it's sorted. So we've just got the engine code cleared. Runs a dream. I've just taken it for a spin, and I think that is job done, guys. And that is it for another video from myself. I hope you all enjoy it. Bit of a weird angle because the sun is right in my face, but I'm gonna end it out here. Hope you all liked the video because I learned a lot, and I hope you all learned something too. And yeah, hopefully I got plenty of friends and family asking me to do bits on their cars, so if you want to see this sort of content, please comment down below and let me know. And yeah, peace out, guys. Catch you on the next one.